Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to break dance like a robot. Begin by isolating chest, arms, and hips with slow, precise motions that mimic gears turning. Focus on tight joints and clear stops at 90 degrees to sell the mechanical illusion. Count in sets of 8 to rhythm and repeat simple drills until movements feel natural. Keep breathing steady and stay patient while building crisp control and timing. Warm your wrists and fingers before attempting quick pops or snaps. Injury stops progress. Practice wrist snap drills slowly, then speed up while maintaining clean stops and starts. Add shoulder isolation to layer motions and create a believable mechanical hierarchy. Link pulses into short combos of 3 to 5 seconds and practice to a metronome or beat to lock timing. Relax other muscles so arms look purposefully rigid. Develop chest pops by pushing the sternum out, then snapping it back with a controlled rebound to create a robotic wave. Combine upright isolations with low footwork like measured shuffles and one-step spins to maintain stage presence. Practice transitions slowly so your feet and torso communicate a consistent machine rhythm. Aim for contrasts between locked limbs and flowing waves to make the robot persona feel intentional and entertaining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.